How to add Visa gift cards on any iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, navigate to the gift cards balance page on your phone. You can usually find the web page URL to check your gift cards balance on the back of the card. Now, all you have to do is input your gift card's number and PIN. Then check for a black Add to Apple Wallet badge, and if you are able to add to your gift card to your Apple Wallet, this button may show up on the gift card's balance page. Now tap the button to add the gift card to your Apple Wallet. You can now use this gift card like any other card in your wallet. However, some gift card retailers are not compatible with Apple Wallet, so not every gift card can be added. Apple has a list of wallet compatible apps, but some gift cards can be added that are not on the list as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.